Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson we are going to learn al-asma al-mawsula, relative pronouns inshallah. The relative pronoun in Arabic is al-ism al-mawsul, is a word which has a relation or connection to the sentence following it, meaning that which, who or whom. The plural is al-asma al-mawsula. The relative pronouns, they are as following. We have singular, dual and plural relative pronouns. The first is al-mudhakkar, masculine relative pronouns, alladhi, singular, alladhani or alladhaini, dual, and alladhina, plural. And next, muannath, feminine relative pronouns, allati, singular, allatani or allataini, dual, and allati or allai, plural. Allati and allai are same, there is no difference, but allati used most. And here there are two dual. The first one is used in nominative case and the second one is used in accusative and genitive case, same as here, allatani and allataini. Now let's learn in the sentence. The first one is al-mufrad, singular. رجع الطالب الذي سافر إلى بلده. The student who traveled to his country returned. رجع, returned. الطالب, the student, الذي who سافر إلى بلده, traveled to his country. An example for feminine: هذه هي الطالبة التي تدرس كثيرا. This is the student who studies a lot, the female student. This is the female student, التي who تدرس كثيرا, studies a lot. Next example: قرأت الكتاب الذي اشتريته أمس. I read the book which I bought yesterday. قرأت, I read, الكتاب, the book, الذي, which or that, اشتريته, I bought, أمس, yesterday. This is masculine and the next is feminine. وجدت الحقيبة التي فقدتها في مطار جدة. I found the bag that I lost in Jeddah airport. وجدت, I found, الحقيبة, the bag, التي, that or which, فقدتها, I lost it, في مطار جدة, in Jeddah airport. And the next one is al-muthanna, dual relative pronouns. Example: الرجلان اللذان من باكستان صالحان. The two men who are from Pakistan are pious. الرجلان, the two men, اللذان, who are, min Pakistan, from Pakistan, salihani, are righteous. An example for feminine: الطالبتان اللتان من مصر مجتهدتان. The two students, the two female students who are from Egypt are hardworking. الطالبتان, the two female students, اللتان, who are min Misra, from Egypt, mujtahidatani, are hardworking. Please note that the letter alif becomes ya in accusative and genitive case as following. Alladhani becomes alladhaini and allatani becomes allataini. Now let's use in the sentence: زرت الرجلين اللذين رأيتهما في السوق. I visited the two men whom I saw in marketplace. زرت, I visited, الرجلين, the two men, اللذين, whom, رأيتهما, I saw, في السوق, in the shop, in marketplace. As we see, this noun al-rajulain is dual and it is in accusative case, and relative pronoun must also be in accusative case. An example for feminine: قرأت القصتين اللتين سمعتهما من أستاذي. I read the two stories that I heard from my teacher. قرأت, I read, القصتين, the two stories, اللتين, that or which, سمعتهما, I heard, من أستاذي, from my teacher. And the next one is al-jam', plural relative pronouns. Examples: الأشخاص الذين يجلسون هناك أصدقائي. The people who are sitting there are my friends. Al-ashkhas is the plural of shakhsun, person, people. The people الذين who are يجلسون, sitting, هناك, there, أصدقائي are my friends. Example for feminine: البنات اللاتي or اللائي. اللاتي or اللائي حضرن الآن من الكويت. The girls who came now are from Kuwait. البنات, the girls, اللاتي or اللائي who حضرن, came, they came, الآن, now, من الكويت are from Kuwait. Please note that if the noun is inanimate plural object, the relative pronoun will be singular and feminine. Examples: الكتب التي قرأتها مفيدة جدا. The books which I read are very useful. Al-kutubu is the plural of kitab and it is inanimate object and plural, and the relative pronoun, that's why, must be singular and feminine if the noun is inanimate plural object. The relative pronoun must be singular and feminine. The books which I read are very useful. انظر إلى هذه السيارات التي أمام الشركة. Look at these cars that are in front of the company. انظر, look, إلى هذه السيارات. Look at these cars. التي, which or that, أمام الشركة, in front of the company. Both of them must be followed by singular and feminine relative pronouns. Besides these relative pronouns that mentioned in the table, there are two more relative pronouns which are not mentioned in the table, and they are ma and man. Ma and man are also used as relative pronouns. Ma means what, used only for objects and things. Man means who or whom, used for humans only. Examples: الله يعلم ما تفعلون. Allah knows what you do. يعلم, knows, ما, what, تفعلون, you do. Allah knows what you do. It's also a relative pronoun. الله يعلم من يعبده. Allah knows who worships him. Man, who, يعبده, who worships him. Allah knows who worships him. That's all for today's lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.